Latex pillows have become increasingly popular for their resilience, support, and long-lasting quality. They adapt to the shape of your head and neck, providing comfort and alignment to reduce neck pain. Unlike other pillows that flatten over time, latex pillows maintain their form and are especially favored for keeping their shape night after night. Whether you're looking for better support or a pillow that stays firm longer, latex is an excellent choice. Here goes our top recommendations. All product links are provided in the description. Number 7. Noble Head Pillow. The Noble Head Pillow is designed for those who suffer from neck pain and need extra support during sleep. Available in 4 different fill options, including wool, latex, and a wool-latex blend, this pillow offers a wide range of choices to suit individual preferences. The unique blend of materials makes the pillow both supportive and comfortable, helping to alleviate pressure on the neck and shoulders. The pillow is larger than a standard-size pillow, so it may not fit into your existing pillowcases, but it comes with its own cover, which is easy to care for. What makes this pillow truly special is its ability to maintain its shape and height, even after extended use. One of the key features is its adjustability, allowing you to choose the fill that best supports your sleeping position. Number 6. Avocado Mattress Green Pillow. The Avocado Mattress Green Pillow is a popular choice for back sleepers who need reliable support without the bulk of a thicker pillow. This pillow uses a mix of GOLS-certified shredded latex and GOTS-certified kapok, a natural fiber that adds a plush feel to the pillow. Encased in an organic cotton cover, this pillow offers both comfort and sustainability. It's perfect for those who are eco-conscious, but still want a high-performing pillow that maintains its shape and support over time. Despite being slightly heavier than other options, its durability makes it a favorite among back sleepers. This pillow stands out for its ability to maintain proper shape even after prolonged use, making it a durable option for those seeking long-lasting comfort. Number 5. Saatva Latex Pillow. The Saatva Latex Pillow is an excellent choice for side sleepers who require a taller pillow to ensure proper neck support and spinal alignment. This pillow stands out for its luxurious feel, featuring a shredded latex core that provides a soft, plush experience without sacrificing support. The pillow is approximately 6 to 7 inches thick, making it perfect for side sleepers who need extra height to maintain the proper position during sleep. The cover is made from organic cotton sateen, adding to the pillow's overall comfort and breathability. The Saatva pillow has earned praise for its ability to maintain its shape over time, even after extended use. The shredded latex fill offers the right balance between firmness and cushioning, helping to reduce pressure on the neck and shoulders. Although the latex fill is not adjustable, its natural resilience makes it an excellent long-term investment for anyone seeking consistent support. The combination of organic cotton and high-quality latex materials makes this pillow not only comfortable, but also environmentally friendly. Number 4. Sijo Clima Latex Pillow. The Sijo Clima Latex Pillow is ideal for those seeking a plush yet supportive pillow that can regulate temperature efficiently. This pillow stands out for its Talali latex core, which is encased in a thin layer of temperature-regulating material. The cover is moisture-wicking, helping to keep you cool and comfortable throughout the night. The latex core adds a springy, bouncy feel that contours to your head and neck, providing support without feeling too firm or rigid. This makes it a great option for people who like a balance between soft and firm pillows. What sets the Sijo Clima apart is its ability to retain its shape while staying cool, even on warm nights. It has a 6-inch loft height, which might be too tall for some back sleepers, but works well for those who sleep on their side or need extra elevation. Despite its height, the pillow doesn't feel overly bulky or heavy, making it easier to handle and adjust during the night. With its moisture-wicking and temperature-regulating properties, the Sijo Clima is perfect for sleepers who need a pillow that stays cool and comfortable, no matter the season. Number 3. Naturepedic Organic Adjustable Latex Pillow. The Naturepedic Organic Adjustable Latex Pillow combines sustainability and comfort, making it a favorite for those who prefer organic and eco-friendly bedding. Made with a certified organic latex fill and organic cotton cover, This pillow is designed with both comfort and the environment in mind. What makes this pillow truly unique is its adjustable fill feature. One side is quilted with soft, plant-based PLA batting for a plush feel, while the other side contains shredded latex that can be adjusted to your desired loft height. This allows you to customize the pillow's thickness for perfect support, no matter your sleeping position. The pillow's two-sided design provides versatility, making it feel like you have two pillows in one. It has been highly rated for both comfort and support, with many users praising its plush yet supportive nature. The organic materials add an extra layer of softness, making it gentle on the skin. While adjusting the shredded latex fill can get a little messy, the overall customization options make it a worthwhile choice for anyone who prioritizes personalized comfort and eco-friendly materials. The Naturepedic pillow proves that organic options don't have to compromise on quality or comfort. Number 2. Brooklyn Bedding Tilali Latex Pillow. For those searching for an affordable yet high-performing latex pillow, the Brooklyn Bedding Tilali Latex Pillow is a great option. Unlike many latex pillows, which can be on the pricier side, this one comes at a much more budget-friendly price while still offering excellent comfort and support. It's available in 2 loft heights, low and high, allowing you to choose the best alignment for your sleeping position. With its Tilali latex construction, it provides excellent neck and head support without feeling too firm. This pillow is especially well-suited for people who experience soreness with other types of pillows. It helps maintain a stable temperature throughout the night, making it ideal for people who tend to sleep hot. Additionally, it holds up well over time, retaining its shape even with consistent use. However, the lower 5-inch height may not provide enough elevation for side sleepers, who generally require a thicker pillow for proper neck alignment. Despite this, the Brooklyn Bedding Tilali Latex Pillow remains a strong contender for those looking for a latex pillow that delivers solid support at an affordable price. Number 1. Purple Harmony Pillow. The Purple Harmony Pillow is a standout option for those seeking a blend of comfort and innovation. It features a Tilali latex core surrounded by Purple's signature elastic grid material, creating a balance between firm and plush. The unique grid design provides targeted support while allowing for flexibility and airflow. This makes the pillow ideal for hot sleepers, as the cover is moisture-wicking and the latex core has ventilation channels throughout to maintain breathability. Although it's a higher-priced pillow, its features justify the cost, especially for those in search of something long-lasting and comfortable. This pillow's performance extends beyond comfort, with a 100-night trial allowing users to test it thoroughly. Whether you're a back, side, or combination sleeper, this pillow adapts to your needs, providing a supportive yet soft surface. Its materials are designed to keep you cool all night, making it a perfect choice for warmer climates or those who tend to overheat. The Purple Harmony is more than just a pillow. It's an investment in quality sleep. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.